Kanina umaga nag-meeting kami mga party leaders para pag-usapan lahat ng mga nangyayari, no, ng mga nakikita-kita natin. Maraming mga kwento na umiikot, may mga bagong nagsasalita, medyo masaya yung yung araw. So nagkita-kita kami and then we were thinking that maybe we should express the opinion of Congress, no, to all of you kasi baka nagtataka kayo anong iniisip namin. So here we have the representatives of the five major parties that comprise the majority in Congress, no. I guess dito pa lang makikita natin that may message na talaga that the majority is solid in Congress, na hindi kami na nalilito or nagugulat din sa mga sinasabing mga inventong kwento. At we felt that it was necessary for us to come forward and at least say something specific, kung ano yung feelings namin as a party. So, bawat partido gumawa ng kanya-kanyang statement, no, i-distribute namin sa inyo mamaya yan para makita ninyo anong naisip ng bawat partido. Hindi naman parehong-pareho yung aming mga reaction, pero I think by and large, in fact, everybody is in support of President Marcos here. So, bahala na kayong magkilatis dun sa aming mga statements. Siguro gawin na lang natin, we'll open ourselves up to questions from you already. Baka meron na kayong nakahandang gustong itanong so that we will have a longer conversation with you. No? So, thank you, and I think maybe